Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our online classes arranged by Institute DS Islamia Kamil Madrasa. Today our topic is narration. You know, there are two kinds of narration. Number one is direct, number two is indirect. Direct narration means a speaker is speaking directly. And indirect narration means someone is speaking for someone. For example, we can say, Kamal said, I play cricket. Here, Kamal is speaking, I play cricket. That is why it is direct narration. Here, indirect, Kamal said that he played cricket. See, here I is he. That means someone is speaking on the behalf of Kamal, that Kamal said that he played cricket. So we are clear, direct narration means speaker is speaking. And indirect narration means someone is speaking for someone. Okay? Then we have to know about the direct narration. You know, there are two parts of direct narration. One part is inside inverted comma. It is called reported speech. Inside inverted comma, it is called reported speech. Another part is before comma. There is a verb. It is called reporting verb. And you see, there is a comma. It is called general comma. So, if we want to make change from direct to indirect, we have to follow some rules. To make indirect from direct, we observe some changes. First change will come on reporting verb. First change will come on reporting verb. If it is said, it will be said. If it is said, it will be said. If it is said to, it will be tell. If it is said to, it will be told. If it is will say, it will remain say, will say. Reporting verb will be changed according to the sentence. But it is generally we can say, reporting verb would be changed, say would be say would be say to tell, say to told, will say. Okay. Number two. Comma. Comma will be changed. That means it will be replaced by that. It is also generally we can say comma would be that. Sentence to sentence it also be different. Number three. Person changing. Person change. Number four. Word change. Word changing. But here should be condition. If reporting verb is of past form, then some words will be changed. That means this would be that. Today, would be that day. Okay, now would be then, etc. Then number 5, tense changing. But there will be condition, tense changing and word changing depend on if reporting verb is of past form, then word would be changed and tense would be changed. So we are clear that to make indirect from direct, 5 changes will come one by one. First change will come on reporting verb, second change will come on comma, third change will come on person, and fourth change will come on some words, and fifth change will come on tense. Now we are clear, 5 changes must be followed. Then there is no condition in person. That means person obviously will be changed. So now we will discuss on person changing. Person, you know, first person, second person, third person. If we get first person would be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Here an example. Kamal said, I am playing cricket. Here, in the reported speech, we get first person. First person would be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Kamal said, comma would be replaced by that. Kamal said that I would be, that means Kamal, now it will be he. Clear? First person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Okay? We are clear? If we get first person in the part of reported speech, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Then number 2, second person. Second person according to object of the reporting verb. If we don't get any object, then we will consider who is speaking and who is listening. Then we will change according to that direction. Okay, an example. Kamal said to me, you should speak English. That means Kamal is giving me direction that I should speak English. Kamal said that look, you is replaced by I. You is second person, it will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. So here you is replaced by I. Second person is replaced by I, that means second person would be changed according to the object of reporting verb. If we don't get object, then we will consider it who is speaking and who is listening. Number 3, third person. Third person, no change. For example, Kamal said to me, Zama will go to Dhaka tomorrow. Here Jamal is of third person. It will be no change. Kamal said would be told. Kamal told me. Comma would be replaced by that. Told me that. Jamal will remain Jamal. It will not be changed. And we would be would. We go to Dhaka the following day. Okay. Third person will not be changed. So now we are clear that first person according to subject, second person according to object, and third person will not be changed. In brief, we can say some. First person according to subject, second person according to object, third person no change. Third person no change. In brief, we can say son. Okay. Now we are clear about the changing of person. Now number 4, that is word changing. Word changing. Some words will be changed, such as this would be that, not that would be this, just this would be that, and this would be the if it is for adjective. This would be that if it is mentioning time, and this would be the if it is for adjective. Example, Kamal said, I like this village. This is direct, indirect. Kamal said that he liked. This would be the, because here this is for adjective. That is why this would be the village. The village. Another example like that. Kamal said, I shall go to your house this week. Indirect. Kamal said that he would direct. Kamal said, I shall go to your house this week. Kamal said that he would go to my house that so here this is changed to that. So some words like now would be then, yesterday would be the previous day, tomorrow would be the next day, or following day. Come would be go, must, can would be could, may would be might, here would be there, must would be have to. Be clear, must would be have to. So now would be then, yesterday would be the previous day, tomorrow would be the next day, or the following day. Come would be go, can would be could, may would be might, here would be there, must would be have to. And more other words also be changed. So you will follow your grammar books to know the word changing in details. If you have any problem, then you can make any inquiry in the comment box, and also you can contact through our mobile phone. Today our class is finished now, and next class will be held within a very short time. And till then, Allah Hafiz, stay home and be safe. Thank you very much.